Akshan Taak and no one bag of mouth.
Good evening everybody and welcome to Akshan Taak. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica for today Tuesday, June 9, 2009. My name is Rennae Nichols. The Minister of Education Andrew Holness said not top till all of the people at the primary school them can read and write good. As according to the Observer for June 9, 2009, Holness make up in mind to put the result them for the grade 4 literacy test them with the principal them name in a newspaper later down in the year. The grade 4 literacy test are one test where all of the grade 4 people them have to take for the government to see whether or not them can read and write good. The Jamaican government have one list of something what them want to do by the year 2015 to make the country better. Some of the something them on the list are to help the people get one better education so them can live one better life. Well, this year, the Ministry of Education find out say the school system in the primary school in Jamaica not going so good, and enough people are left from primary school to go to high school when them can't even read and write. In the Gleaner from Monday, June 8, 2009, Andrew Holness shows that the amount of money where the country make have to do with the kind of education where the people them have. Him say government have to start look on the kind of education where the Jamaican people them get at school. Dr. Pauline Knight, one of the smarty them from the office who put together all of the big plan them for Jamaica said, if the Jamaican people them want to go to university and go do them best, and do them best on them job when them start work, then them have to start off good from the primary school. But right now, whole heap of grade 6 pitney can't even spell them name. As according to Andrew Holness, at the principal them fault to make the education system so weak and the pitney them not learn. In the Gleaner for Sunday, June 7, 2009, him saying believes say how the teacher them work for match what them get for them pay. But that's not really the answer for the problem right now. If you set up that kind of system that not go so easy to do. And the principal them alone Mr. Holness blame. As according to the Gleaner for Tuesday, June 9, 2009, the Education Minister said the teacher college them not taking the rights money them for turn teacher, and that are the second thing that cause the education problem them. Him say from long time people have it to say, if you can't do the kind of work where you want to do, then you go turn teacher. So now, the government has set up a new system where say all of this money them who want turn teacher have to get license first. Darren Dixon, the head of the group for the Jamaican teacher them, the Jamaica Teachers Association, don't agree with enough of the thing them what Andrew Holness has said. Fast according to Mr. Dixon, enough time the principal them try them best, but them still end up a whole heap of problem to teach the penny them good. Enough classroom till part off with blackboard and more than 50 penny in a one class. Dixon say, I true the picnic them family them poor and can barely find tea sometime, make the picnic them can't learn good at school. On top of that, him said the teacher college them try pick out the best money them out of the whole heap of people who try to get in at them school. Them they just take in any smarty. But Education Minister Andrew Holness say, I know the government fault. And for the next 10-year time, he will go and work to make the primary school education get better and better. This is Akshan Taak. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica. Till next time, my name is Rennae Nichols. Walk.